In 1973, America watched as then-President Richard Nixon vehemently declared on national television, "I am not a crook," in regards to the Watergate scandal. Not many people believed him. In fact, as soon as he uttered the word crook, most people immediately envisioned a crook. The major mistake Nixon made was in his framing. By saying the word crook, he evoked an image, experience, or knowledge associated with crook in the minds of everyone watching. Even by negating a frame like Nixon was doing, framing is so influential that the frame first gets activated, then becomes stronger. So, exactly what is a frame? A frame is a mental structure that is represented in the brain by neural circuitry. Frames shape the way people see the world, and consequently, the goals we seek and the choices that we make. Think about it this way: something that has a 95% effective rate will sell better than something with a 5% failure rate. It's all in how you frame it. Although we can't see or hear frames, they're extremely powerful because most of our actions are based on the unconscious and metaphorical frames we already have in place. That is, once a frame's architecture is in place, the boundaries of that frame and the associations of that frame are all taken into account in our decision-making. The most common frames are learned as a toddler, when you learn about the world, and every time a neural circuit is used, it strengthens. So it's not surprising that frames are relatively fixed, and reframing takes quite a bit of dedication and time. Reframing is not about spinning and manipulating the other party, but rather learning to express what you believe in your own language, within your own frameworks. Because subtle differences in languages might shape our thoughts and change how we experience reality, learning a new language can activate new frames. Quite simply, speaking differently requires thinking differently.